Hello friends, this is 2009 Honda Civic. I was having random alarm going off, so I was searching and it's most likely the hood latch assembly. So I went to Honda a dealership and I got the part, and I think I found the problem. I paid $175. It's listed for $175. I got some discount. I have the part number. It says lock assembly 166. Part number 74120 SNA-A21. All right. Here you can see 74120 SNA-A21. All right, so I was checking it to make sure. Someone in the YouTube, they said if the switch works, you should hear the horn when you lock it twice. But anyway, I found the problem here. I was checking the new one and the old one, the continuity on the switch, and this is the old one. Okay, yeah, I am not getting continuity. It's open, but the new one, okay, new one it's normally closed, but the old one it's open. All right, so I think that's what the problem is, and I tried to move there is a switch, limit switch inside. I try to move it. I think, yeah, it's sticking. I can feel something funny. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty easy to take this off. All you have to do, you have to take this plastic panel off. You have 1, 2, 3 and 4 small fender clips, plastic fastener, whatever you call. So what you have to do, you have to push it back and pull it through the handle, okay, latch handle. It will come off. Then you're gonna find the cable attached to it. So first you have to take a 3 10mm screws. What I did, I spray WD-40 behind it because it was a little rusty, and I loosened it with the 10mm wrench, and I used the ratchet handle, quarter drive ratchet handle. So now this one go back here, and the lead comes to the back. All right. Oh, first I have to connect the cable, which is all right. It's pretty straightforward dismantling and assembling. Friends, so that's it. I don't want to waste your time. Go ahead. I saw it in the Amazon. It's much cheaper, but I don't want to take the chance. Okay, thank you.